The sky looks different on every planet in our solar system. By any chance, if we leave the borders of our native planet in the future and find ourselves on the planet Mars, the sky would look different. The same sun would still be shining, but it may appear different from what we see on our planet Earth. NASA chief scientist Jim Green said humans will absolutely be on Mars in the future. If that is possible, then how would the sky look on Mars, and what would the sun look like? I suggest you see it all with your own eyes in this video. If you are watching this video, you have probably imagined what it would be like to look up at the Martian sky. What would you see if you look at the sky right now? Of course, it will look like most days. You will get to see sun, moon, stars, clouds. We are familiar with all of this. First, let's talk about Earth. Earth revolves around the sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, or we can say 150 million kilometers. The sky of the Earth is blue because of the atmosphere. Now let's move to planet Mars from our home planet. The red planet Mars is located at a distance of approximately 143 million miles, or we can say 230 million kilometers from the Sun. Compared to Earth, the atmosphere of Mars is sparse and consists of mainly carbon dioxide. Mars is too far from the Sun to warm up properly, so the red planet is pretty cold. The planet has periodic dust storms and a Martian landscape. Humans have a lot of real evidence of what Mars looks like. The photos of Martian sunsets and sunrises show that Sun appears only 2/3 the size of what we see on Earth. The atmosphere of Mars has its own filters. The Martian sky usually appears reddish-orange due to iron oxide dust, commonly known as rust. It gives the surface of Mars its color, scattering red light in its thin atmosphere and making the entire sky red. That is until sunset. As the sun approaches the horizon, the sky around it appears blue. Yes, sunsets on Mars are blue. On Earth, sunsets are orange and yellow and the daytime sky is blue. But the opposite happens on Mars. During the day, the Martian sky appears red and the sunset appears blue. It is because when the sun sets on Mars, red light from the sun gets filtered out and blue light gets scattered, which makes the sunset appear blue. You can see two moons on Mars. Unlike Earth, Mars has two moons. Both of them are small and have an irregular shape, which makes them different from the moon of Earth. They have compositions like asteroids found elsewhere in the solar system, and NASA believes they are asteroids that were captured by the gravity of Mars and put into orbit many years ago. The moons are named after the twin brothers of fear and terror in Greek mythology, Phobos and Deimos. Phobos will have a relatively short lifetime. In 30 to 50 million years, it will rip apart or crash into the surface of Mars due to the tidal force of the planet. Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and our planet Earth are also visible in the sky of Mars. So this is what Martian sky looks like. Hope you have enjoyed this video and gathered some ideas about the Martian sky from planet Earth. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also do hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Goodbye.